Are you there, Arun?
Yeah, yeah, I am here.
Yeah. So tell me, how can we
Uh,
solve?
mm, AN looks diverging and B looks converging, but we have to prove it. So uh, n n square plus 1 minus 1 we can do. So n square upon n plus 1, yeah, we have a sandwich theorem, like we can apply sandwich.
Okay.
Mm.
So actually, this is box actually, huh? Hopefully.
Box means greatest integer function.
That's what. Yeah, or mod. I'm not getting that. Box, hopefully. Yeah, box. Greatest integer function.
Okay.
Right? Are you getting that?
Yes, 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 yes. Now 1 upon n plus 1 will always be fraction, and n minus 1 will always be integer.
Correct. So,
So can be taken out.
correct. So this an tends to infinity as n goes in tends to infinity. Okay. Now what about begin?
Bn is this minus an. So fraction part, it will be fraction part of n square on n plus 1.
Correct. This is n plus one, right? So which option is correct?
Uh, Option 2.
Okay. This is the second problem. So how we find the characteristic roots?
No, actually, I have not done this part. I think.
Okay, have you now? Are you there?
Yeah, is it three?
Sorry,
Is it three?
is
Three,
it?
three, three, three.
Is it say it is saying that real?
Oh, real means one.
How
Is it?
you are doing that? Tell me.
The Can you give me 1 second?
Yeah, sure. So first, for Arun, tell me, Abhinav, what is characteristic root? Then Arun can actually relate to that,
Characteristic roots. Are you referring to the roots of the characteristic equation of the matrix?
right?
Yes.
So how we find that characteristic equation?
Uh, the formula
With
A in uh, A into A minus. If we look at this matrix, then the standard formula for characteristic equation,
what is that?
uh, it's that first element A into AD minus BC again down.
Right?
If
D is
yeah.
equal to
Oh
zero.
yeah, this. Okay, my bad. I got
This is
confused.
eigenvalue. Lambda is eigenvalue, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Then what is that? What will be that? Right? So how will you do that? So if you add this, right? So we can take this outside, right? So what will be that?
A plus B plus C minus lambda into 1, 1, 1. C B A minus lambda and so on.
Right?
Yes.
So one root is a plus b plus c, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you just solve the left out thing,
Determinant part.
right?
Mhm.
Actually, what is the other two eigenvalues? What are the other two eigenvalues of this matrix?
No idea actually.
No idea means you don't know how
I
to
don't.
determine it.
No, determinant, I know how to compute determinant, but
Yeah,
what are the other
then compute,
eigenvalues?
compute.
Okay. So it will be a minus lambda square minus bc.
Okay. So I'm saying this. So one of your root is your C, right? So if you can see, there is an inherent property of this matrix. So here A, B, C, right? It is starting from A. Then it is starting from C. Okay.
Cyclics.
Okay. So first cycle is this.
A, B, C, B, C, A, and then C, A.
No.
It should be like that. Then we can say 0, I think. Not sure.
So it A to C, and then is it goes C to B, and then it goes B to A. So these are, I mean, similar. So for these kind of things, the eigenvalues become so what is omega,
Cube root of unity.
right?
Yeah,
Okay. So these are two complex conjugates. Okay.
correct.
So as P not equal to C, okay,
Mhm.
the imaginary part of
Will remain here.
will be
Will not be 0.
will not be zero. Okay.
Hmm.
So only one.
One real. So this is only one standard form in case of matrix A, B, C, B, C, A,
Right.
cyclic column.
Right.
Okay. And in this case, there is some, I think I had remembered in class 12th, there is some identity for these determinant. I forget that.
Sorry.
These are some special type of
Right.
determinants A, B, C, B, C, A, and
Right.
similarly there is A square, B square, C square.
Right.
There are some three, four types of the special matrices. I don't know now. I had learned in 12th.
Yeah. Yeah. So problem number 3. Okay, so this is the third problem. Avinav,
He left, I guess.
okay.
F is odd function and periodic. So uh,
Okay,
integration will be zero, right?
sorry. Yeah, tell me.
Uh, F is odd and periodic. So integration would be zero from zero
Why?
to.
If is odd and periodic, but we are taking integration from 0
Acha,
to a.
zero to F we are taking. Okay. No idea.
Okay. F is a but. Okay. Just a second. Let me just collect the question once. Yeah. So, given that f is odd function, so f of minus x is minus fx, right? So, what is g of minus x? That is clearly dt. Okay. So now, if you take t equal to minus u, okay, then what will be it? This will be 0. No, not 0. Okay, yeah, that will be 0 to x f of minus u du, correct? And
Yeah,
this is
correct.
nothing but f of u du, right? And that is gx. So g
Oh,
is a
even.
even function. Okay, as simple as that. And periodic. What do you mean by periodic?
Periodic means it repeats same structure after a certain time interval.
Okay. Let the period of f is t. So f of x plus t is f of x. Do you have any doubt on that?
No, no doubt.
Now, Let's write g of x plus t. Right? So what we can do, we can write this as correct. So now just a second. Ah, write this as x. Okay. So this is nothing but your gx plus
F of t is periodic, so its integration will also be same
sorry.
as f of t is periodic. So its
Yeah.
integration from 0 to x and then x to x plus t would be same. So it should be 2 times of g of x. But what we will conclude from that, is it periodic or
Uh,
not?
just a second. Just a second. So using periodicity, what we can say, the period of t. Yeah. So 0 to t is equivalent to x plus xt, right? So this is same as dt. Am I right? So this is not equal to gx, correct?
Yeah, correct. So not periodic.
So it is true for
T not 0.
all t, hence g not aperiodic. So what is the final answer? G is even and not periodic. The next question. So tell me how we can do that. First, let's write what is X transpose. That is a row vector, right? And Y transpose, sorry, Y is a column vector. This is 1 cross that is just so.
Actually, I didn't get the concept of vectors in multivariate. This part was confusing.
So I am saying, telling you, no,
Okay.
this is one thing in multivariate.
So X is equal to Z1 to Z64 transpose. It means it is written in column. It is
Right.
written in row form. So it is transpose will be column wise, right?
So in general, a vector is a column vector. Okay. So it is X
Okay.
transpose is given as a column vector, and Y is a column vector, but they are written in row, and just put a transpose over the head.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
what is that?
X transpose into Y will multiply.
Right.
Y summation. Uh,
So that is a matrix multiplication, right?
mm, no, I can you explain in like
So how we
write down the step.
multiply?
Yeah.
This is a matrix of dimension 1 cross 64. This is the matrix of dimension 64 cross 1. How we
Mhm.
multiply a 1 cross 2 and 2 cross 1 matrix?
Row with column. Uh,
What you will do?
I
You will do this,
A.
right?
Yeah, correct. One
And
into
that is what I am doing, no?
okay. So we will get one by one matrix, right?
Right.
Yeah. Okay. And this will be summation from 1 to 64. Got it.
Yeah. So these are the things. Now you tell me what is the probability of Wi equal to 1? This will be 1 only when correct? Am I right?
No, I didn't get this.
What is binomial 1 comma half? That is actually Bernoulli
N.
distribution, right?
Yeah. Yeah, correct. Bernoulli distribution.
Okay.
This is only
So
one
here
N is one.
zi's are independent, right?
Uh-huh.
So here the probability of z being 1 is half, and this is probability of z being 1 is half, and
Mhm.
the multiplication will be 1 only when this will be 1, right? And as this is a Bernoulli, Zi can take the values 0 and 1,
Hmm. Okay.
correct?
Mhm.
So Wi follows Bernoulli 1 by 4, correct? So what is the variance of Wi? That is 1 p into 1 minus p. That is 3 by 16, right?
Yes.
And what is your finally variance of X transpose? Just a second. Okay. So this will be the answer.
Uh, can you go down?
Sure. Yeah.
Just yeah, this variance is equal to summation of variance. Okay. Here we had applied like variance of a plus b plus c equal to variance of a plus variance of b.
Due to
Right.
independence.
Okay. What are the different properties of IID?
What are the different property means?
Like if somewhere is given IID, then what we should go with? IID means identically yeah distributed. Yeah, I know.
That
Means
is
distribution is
same.
similar.
And the variables are this is the problem.
MP test or NP?
MP, most powerful test. Do you know most powerful test?
Hmm.
Huh?
No.
Okay, then there is no point of waiting. Then let me solve this question. Make
Let
sure.
it be as it is. Like I have not done the topic, so I will do once I get.
It's quite bit difficult to tell you right now what is MP test. Do you know power of a test? Do you know what is
No,
it?
I have not done this that part. I have just done basic hypothesis testing.
So in what
Normal,
in
normal.
basic hypothesis testing?
Like if we are given some hypothesis not and we take H1 that is alternative hypothesis and we try to make H1 or H2. We try to make some evidences against H1 or H2. Oh, sorry, H0 or H1.
Yeah,
We
but you
find
know what is power of a test?
no, I don't know.
So there is a rejection region. Do you aware of that?
Yeah, I know. In normal curve, B alpha minus 1, alpha minus 1, I guess.
Alpha.
Alpha by 2, sorry.
That is, I mean, a size alpha test.
Yeah,
Okay, let
I have
me.
not done, so I will do that part and I will then try this problem.
Sure. I am just giving you the solution right now. Okay.
Okay.
Then to test, so let that will follow binomial 3 comma theta. So what is the Neyman Pearson? This is a basic classic problem of Neyman Pearson lemma. So what will be the, I mean, ratio? Okay. So since smaller, so since smaller theta okay, so we have to actually find for size, right? So now we have to choose k. Okay, so probability of a is equal to 0 under h naught is 1 by 8, right? 3 by 8, right?
Okay.
So what is the value of 1 by 8?
In decimal, you are asking what?
Yeah,
Uh, okay. So it is 0.12, 0.12.
right?
Mm.
And that is the exact value they are giving. So the k must be 0. Okay. So k should be less than equal to 0. That is, a should be less than equal to 0 implies that a is equal to 0. That is the rejection region. And power means you have to find it for this. So that is, tell me, That should be the power. Okay. So these are the 5 problems, 1 to 5 of 2025 JAM question paper. Okay. So in the upcoming classes, we will solve the JAM papers like this in a set of 5 to 6 question at a time. Okay.